Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to WatchWire News, your go-to destination for all things Apple Watch. Today, we're talking about how you can get even more out of that tiny computer on your wrist. I've got a story to share with you folks. I was one of those people who thought their iPhone was the only game in town when it came to smartwatches. But after realizing just how capable my Apple Watch was, I started experimenting with some new ways to use it, and boy, am I glad I did. Let's start with something simple, payments. Who doesn't love the convenience of Apple Pay? Now, I know what you're thinking. Why bother using your Apple Watch for payments when your iPhone is right there in your pocket? Well, let me tell you, it's a game changer. With just a glance at my wrist, I can pay for purchases without having to dig out my credit card. It's the little things like that which make the Apple Watch so awesome. But it doesn't stop there. The flashlight on my Apple Watch is also super handy. Whether I'm searching for something in the dark or reading a menu in a restaurant, it's got me covered. And don't even get me started on music and podcasts. Adjusting the volume with just a spin of the digital crown is pure genius. Now I know some of you might be thinking, but what about texts? Well, let me tell you, I used to be that guy who always pulled out my iPhone to read a quick message. But not anymore. With just a glance at my Apple Watch, I can read and respond to those texts in no time. And if I need to reply, it's as simple as tapping a button or using dictation to turn my voice into written words. Of course, there are plenty of other features that make the Apple Watch so useful, like timers, alarms, and Siri. With just a few taps, I can set up a timer in seconds, snooze an alarm on the go, or even ask Siri for walking directions with ease. But what really sets the Apple Watch apart is its portability. Whether I'm walking around town or out hiking, it's always right there with me, and that's exactly what makes it so convenient. No more digging out my iPhone every time I need to check something. So, if you're like me and thought your iPhone was the only way to go when it came to smartwatches, it might be time to rethink that strategy. With a little creativity and experimentation, you can unlock a whole new world of possibilities with your Apple Watch. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to WatchWire News. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and reviews.